5 iPhone settings you need to turn off right now. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 settings you need to turn off on your new iPhone or old iPhone. So let's get started. So the first is to turn off the location service for unnecessary apps. To do that, go to the settings, then click on privacy and security, then click on location service, then turn off for app that don't need location access or set to while using instead of always. Then this will actually help you save battery life and protect your privacy. And also you can also turn off significant location. So to do that, go to settings, then click on privacy and security, then click on service location or location service, then click on system service, then click on significant location. Then you can also toggle off the significant location. And also on the third settings is to go to turn off the analytics and improvement. So to do that, go to the settings, click on privacy and security, then click on analytics and improvement, then toggle off all options like share iPhone analytics and share iCloud analytics or any other option. Then why you should do that to do this is to stop unnecessary data sharing with Apple and reduce tracking. Then on the fourth settings to turn off is personalized ads. So to do that, go to settings, then click on privacy and security, then click on Apple advertising, then toggle off the personalized ads, which will limit tracking and stop Apple's from using your data for target ads. And also the number 5 settings to turn off on your iPhone is the background app refresh. To do that, to toggle it off, go to settings, then click on general, then click on background and app refresh, then select either Wi-Fi or off and manually turn it on for apps that you don't need. Then this will also help you to save battery life and data by preventing app from refreshing unnecessarily in the background. And that's the 5 settings you need to turn off on your iPhone right now. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.